Baird's a trusted, family-owned business that's been serving Texas homeowners since 1969. Now, foundation problems can be stressful, but finding the right solution from the right company, well, that can make all the difference. And today, we're joined by local expert from Baird Foundation Repair, Director of Sales, Jose Trevino. Thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me.
All right, there are plenty of companies that, of course, offer foundation repair, and some are less expensive. Why not just go with the lowest bid?
Well, you know, Fiona, in Texas, foundation repair isn't a licensed trade. So anybody that says they can do foundation repair can do it. And oftentimes, companies with lower cost oftentimes use just products that are just generic, that just don't really attack the root causes of foundation failure. But at Baird Foundation Repair, we use patented engineered products that provide lasting results backed by a warranty that we stand behind. So rest assured, when you call Baird Foundation Repair, you're in good hands.
And Baird Foundation Repair, I mean, you guys have been around for over 55 years, okay? And that sets you guys apart, right?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I think that stands for the commitment we have to our homeowners. And what's so important to us is that our work since 1969 stands behind the trust that we build, the quality we provide, and the results that we know that we can give to homeowners. And I think that that's proven through our thousands of Google reviews that we've earned over all the years.
Now, for homeowners who aren't sure if they're having a foundation problem, what are the signs they need to look out for? Yeah,
pay attention to cracks on the exterior and even the interior of your home. Pay attention to drywall cracks that are above your doors and above your windows. But in addition to that, also pay attention to sticking doors and sticking windows, and those are also some of the common signs of foundation failure. And when you see that, give us a call, because we can do a free, no obligation inspection, and then we'll be able to get ahead of some of these issues before they become bigger problems.
And that's the key right there, is to get ahead of those issues, because you don't want to wait.
Correct. Right? Yeah, we don't want to wait. At the end of the day, it's oftentimes, Fiona, that people wait years to give us a call once they start to see these problems, and that's what turns into bigger problems down the road. But if you see them, give us a call, and we're going to send out a trained foundation repair expert out to your home, and we're going to be able to do a thorough inspection, and we'll be able to tell you exactly what causes these problems, exactly how we can fix them, and exactly what it's going to cost.
Okay, and real quickly, just kind of walk us through the process.
Right, so we'll show up to your home. We will give you 2 days in advance notice to introduce our sales representative, to make sure they come out and do that inspection with you. We want to make sure that you're present for the inspection, because we do plan on educating our homeowners, because we do feel that that is one of the most important things about foundation repairs. We want to know exactly what causes these problems, so that way when we propose how to fix it, it makes the most sense to you, and you know that you have the right company taking care of you for years and years to come.
Jose Trevino, thank you so much. If you're worried about your home's foundation, reach out for a free, no obligation inspection. Just call Baird Foundation Repair at 210-534-4110. That's 210-534-4110. Mention you saw them on SA Live and get $250 off your final proposal. Plus, they offer a military discount too. For more information, visit the website, gobairdgo.com. Jose, thanks again.
Thank you.